Hi there, I'm George Westinghouse with the Sanding Solutions Tahoe. Here to show you, mostly talk about the SAND+AID, but how to prep a house or building for painting. You know, we're all familiar, you use the power washer, spray it down, get all the loose paint, then scrape it, use a scraper and hit the flaky stuff, but what happens is when you power wash it, the grain raises. And plus, if you get so much of this stuff off, but you've got to feather it in if you can to make it less noticeable when you do paint it. Also, you get these fuzzy fibers after you power wash it. So after you're done power washing, scraping, then it's time to use the best thing that's happened in sanding, sander attachments ever. It's called the SAND+AID, like the Band-Aid. It'll heal all painting wounds. This thing is just unbelievable. It's used for decks too. You can look under the SandingSolutionsTahoe.com. There's a web page out for it. But this is what it's like, how you would get it. I'm looking. I can't have any more manufactured until I get some money. It costs too much for me to just make 100 or 1,000. I need to get some backing. Anybody interested in investing or being a partner, somehow sort of help, I'm open to suggestions. But this is what it comes at. This is what it looks like. It's got a little wrench that tightens it down to your sander. I'll show you. It's got two holes. One is the set screw to adjust the angle. And the other one is to keep the SAND+AID on the pole. It's like this. This is it. You can see it's got a threaded part. The sander goes on here. I mean, you can crank this baby down so it doesn't, it'll spit the guts out of your sander. I mean, it's just not going anywhere. Then you adjust the angle, as I said, with this Allen wrench. Now there's heavy sanders like this one would be great for a deck. There's lighter ones, smaller, would be great for soffit, siding, and whatnot. Like Milwaukee makes a good light one. And then this other set screw keeps the pole from getting loose. And so you can adjust the angle. For instance, up here, I do at the top, way different angles than the bottom. This has got a patent on it, U.S. patent. And the thing is, what's unique about SAND+AID here is that your sand, your hands, vibration will kill you. The SAND+AID is built with rubber. It's designed with ergonomic, anti-vibration aspects. It's got rubber spaces which keep the handle away from the sander, which absorb a ton of vibration from, it stops it at the pole, never makes your hands. All these spaces, when this thing's cranked down, they absorb it like a champ. And this thing works so good that, it's unbelievable. Okay, I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to use this nice new one. Demonstration only. Okay, here's how it is. This is what I'm using. I need sandpaper. Not that good that it can sand without sandpaper. I'm using 60. You could even drop it down to 40 if you want. Or you can take forever and use 220, I don't care. Now, like I said, you can adjust the angle, which I will do here. I'm going to do up high, or where you really need it. So I'm going to go like about here, about that. And then, take it down, you're good to go. This is it. SAND+AID by Sanding Solutions. Go to SandingSolutionsTahoe.com or on YouTube. Just go to SAND+AID, something like that. Okay, I'm going to telephoto this, whatever it's called. I hope that worked. Now I want to do this twice. Okay, here we go. Guys, you take all the plates off, all the siding. Covers in the high spot. No ladders, man. That's the trick. Safety first, sliding first. Paid for itself one time. All the fibers are getting sanded down. Every good thing must come to an end. But so it's a SAND+AID by Sanding Solutions. Go to SandingSolutionsTahoe.com, or anybody interested in investing in it, we can get. I need to get like 5,000 of these babies made. Start selling like hotcakes. Okay, thanks. I'm George Westinghouse. Check out how to sand a deck with the SAND+AID. And that's it. Thank you.